Have you ever said something in English and then immediately felt embarrassed? Maybe you said, I am agree, or she is understand, or even, I am knowing this, and suddenly the conversation feels awkward. Here's the shocking truth. Thousands of English learners make these mistakes every single day, especially Urdu and Hindi speakers. But today, that changes. Because in this episode, I'll show you one simple English rule that instantly makes your English sound more natural. And honestly, once you understand this, you'll start hearing these mistakes everywhere.
And the best part? This is not complicated grammar. No difficult rules, no boring classroom lesson. Just one simple idea that native speakers use automatically. And by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly why I am agree is wrong, what you should say instead, and how to stop making this mistake forever. Plus, at the end, we'll give you a super easy trick that helps you sound more fluent instantly. So stay with us, because this small change can completely transform your English conversations.
Okay, Jack, let's start with the most common mistake. I am agree. Why do learners say this?
Because in many languages, feelings and opinions often use helping verbs differently. So learners think, I am happy. I am tired. I am agree. But in English, agree is not an adjective. It's a verb. So we do not say, I am agree. We say, I agree. Simple.
Exactly. And this mistake happens with many other words too. For example, I am understand. I understand. She is know. She knows. We are believe you. We believe you. These are called state verbs. And state verbs usually do not use am, is, or are like actions do.
Now let's make this real. Imagine you are in a cafe with a friend. Your friend says, "This coffee is amazing." What do you say? Not, I am agree. Instead, I agree. Natural, easy, confident.
Here's another real-life situation. Your teacher asks, do you understand this lesson? You should say, yes, I understand. Not, I am understanding. That sounds very unnatural in daily conversation.
And honestly, this is one reason many learners feel nervous speaking English, because they learn grammar rules, but nobody teaches them how people actually speak. Native English is usually shorter, cleaner, more direct.
And in just a moment, I'm going to show you the one trick that helps you instantly know whether a sentence needs am, is, are, or not. This trick makes English speaking much easier for beginners, so keep listening.
Before that, let's practice together. I'll say the wrong sentence. Emma will fix it. Ready?
Let's do it.
I am know the answer.
I know the answer.
She is like this movie.
She likes this movie.
We are understand English now.
We understand English now. See the pattern? Very often, you only need subject plus verb, not am, is, or are.
Okay, now here's the trick we promised. Very simple. Ask yourself, is this an action happening right now? If yes, use continuous tense. Example, I am eating. She is running. They are studying. These are actions happening now. But if it's a feeling, opinion, thought, or understanding, usually use simple present. I agree. I know. I believe you. She understands. This one question helps a lot.
And don't worry if you still make mistakes sometimes. Even advanced learners do. The goal is progress, not perfection. And honestly, the more real English you hear, the more natural these patterns become. That's why listening practice is so important.
Quick challenge for everyone listening. Pause this episode for 10 seconds and try making one sentence with agree, no, understand. Simple sentences, real English. Practice is where confidence starts.
And comment below, what English mistake do you make the most? Maybe other learners make the same mistake too. And reading comments helps everyone improve together.
So today, we learned something important. You do not need complicated grammar to sound natural in English. Sometimes, one small correction changes everything.
Exactly. Stop saying, I am agree, and start saying, I agree. Small sentence, big difference.
If this episode helped you, subscribe to English TalkHub. We upload simple, real-life English lessons every week for beginners and intermediate learners.
And if you want to sound more natural in English conversations, watch our next episode right now. Because confident English starts with small, daily improvements.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never be afraid to make mistakes. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.